be a parade.
Oh, I bet you're right.
They're saving their
They're
seats.
saving their spots, honey. On French fries.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't take you long to find the bar.
Oh, that's not
It'd be awesome if it actually went forward. Now we're just sort of sitting on the tarmac. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, things have changed here.
Yeah.
Our little private resort. About 3:30 yesterday. Everyone started rolling in. My guess was 11. What are we at? Including us, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think there's one over there. I think there's 9. The one right across from us here is a trailer, and they've got 4 cars. So it's like a car show. And then they've got like a husky that they've got sleeping outside in a crate all night.
Barking.
If anything walks by, the husky goes nuts. Good thing is we're leaving for the day.
Yes.
We won't be back until probably
They're
10,
all up
probably
again.
yeah 10 o'clock when they're all good and drunk. Yeah.
Oh, there's 2 dogs.
Okay.
A black lab.
Here's our
Neighbors.
neighbors.
Are they going home?
I think they're done with it too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy travels.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Apparently they don't have bears here because yeah, that would not go over well. I'm gonna say they don't have bears here. What are you gonna say?
No. Well, yeah.
Based on the fact that they got these garbage cans wide open. Surprised they don't have raccoons though.
Yeah.
This is Coulterville.
Coulterville groceries. Oh, somebody's getting there early. What's that?
This is Coyote Fest.
Stuff.
Coming today and tomorrow. It's a howling good time. I bet they're gonna have like a little car show.
Oh, look at that sweet ride.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a cute. We should.
Oh, look, they got the Rangers out. Dressed in their
Saturday best.
yeah. Oh, they got goats.
You gotta go?
Yeah.
Oh.
And that was it. That was Coulterville. I think we looked it up, and the 2010 census said they had 200.
Oh, look, there's gonna be a parade.
Oh, I bet you're right.
They're saving their
They're
seats.
saving their spots, honey. Should we go grab some chairs and stick them out here? We laugh, but it could be huge.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the 20.
Hi, we came all the way from Seattle.
Yeah. For Coyote Fest. Do you have shirts? We want to buy a shirt. Do you have any stickers?
Oh, do you have a sticker?
Sticker? So the 2010 census had them at
201.
201, and so I think that's what they have on their sign, but then I read the 2020 census has them at 115, so 115. They lost some folks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
75. Well, 76.
Maybe we'll see it tomorrow. No, we'll be leaving early tomorrow too. And I'm pretty sure it won't still be going on tonight when we come back.
think that's El Capitan.
Hey,
Good morning.
we found one of the last parking spots.
There's 4 left.
I'm gonna say don't climb over this.
Water was cold.
So you're wiping it on me. Okay,
Okay,
well,
let's go find the falls.
let's go find the fall.
Oh, found it. I like tree bark.
You do? Okay. We are going on the Lower Yosemite Falls trail
Not the Eagle Peak.
I noticed you had a few friends over.
because this is like 8 miles, 9 miles, something like
I don't even know what it
that.
is.
It's like a mile, I think.
Well, at least I'll get some of my steps in today.
You will. And we're here at 9 a.m. and it's already packed. My wife is not happy with the standard trail, so she's decided to blaze her own trail into the forest. We're at like 8,000 feet right now.
Right,
I can feel the snow's about to start coming down.
right.
You gotta get me
I should do it lower so it looks like you're...
We reached the summit. He looks like he's gonna say something.
Looks like a bunny. Look, he's got ears. There's his nose and that's his mouth.
I don't know about that.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it on me. Gratitude, wisdom.
It's my wife making out with a tree.
Hey, you be nice.
This is good right here.
Where is there a 14% grade?
The one we just came down?
No.
Yeah, that's 14% grade. Similar to Angel's Landing. It's kind of the same. What do you think?
Huh. enjoy the ride.
About the journey, huh?
Yeah.
My shoes don't fit in my...
Well, I don't have my shoes on, so
Yeah, the problem is I can't just flip these over because then
they drag.
they drag every time
Bump! How's it going? Did your battery kick in?
Not an e-bike. Peggy just ordered the Carne asada fries. See how that goes over. I don't like the look on her face.
I don't know. They're very saucy.
What's the verdict on the Carne asada fries? That's sister.
They're good. I like them, but I don't know that I could eat all of it.
Oh.
I mean, I'm sure I can, but
My
No.
tacos are a little soupy. I'm making the best of it.
are they good though? Is that like a green salsa
I think so.
for the asada?
On French fries.
That Halfdome? It must be.
Sure looks like Halfdome.
On your left. On your left.
Really glad we came over.
Stress eating.
It's 1:11. It's just
Ooh, there's some cute bark. Can I go take a picture?
no.
That's a good bark. I've learned I'm addicted to bark. What a predicament.
People still looking for parking. Guy waiting for our spot said he's been waiting an hour for that spot. Oh my gosh. I think I would have parked down the road or something. I don't know. Oh boy. He's got to try to squeeze through here. Feel your pain, buddy. I drive an RV.
Oh, I thought you were going to let the
No,
bus
I'm
go.
talking. This guy's trying to get by. That's why the bus backed up for him. Got a full load.
I couldn't ride backwards. Oh, is he? Oh, what is he doing?
What do you mean?
Oh, he was going straight.
Yeah, he's just trying to. He's got a long trailer. He's got a tail swing.
I wanna take you out, show you the time of your life. I wanna figure out what it takes to give you everything you desire. I wanna lay beneath the stars with you in the back of my truck. I guess that this is what they call love. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. I've been waiting on the sidelines, praying for the right time.
Oh, I see him now. Right in the middle.
And try and pick up some of the information.
Yeah. Save the money from having to do the tour. We just drive right behind it, roll your windows down. And then just yell out every once in a while, can you speak up a little? We can't hear you.
The world don't exist. Let's pull up ties and take a trip to someplace new. I don't care where, as long as I have you. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now.
Planned out that we were going to come up to, what point is, we're at Glacier Point right now, but originally I had us going up to the Fissures, which was like kind of 3 or 4 miles back down the road. And then I looked at the hike and it was 2.3 miles, which is not a big deal, but we don't have time. We have to, it's almost 3 o'clock and we have to be down to the train that we're going to take tonight at 4:30. So then I thought, oh, well, let's just drive up here to the Glacier Point area, take a couple pictures, and then, you know, not go on a trail. Well, it is backed up for, I don't know, half a mile at least just to get into the parking lot, and you can't really turn around here because it's pretty tight. So I dropped Peggy off to take some video and pictures while I figure out how to get the car turned around.
Is insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything, baby. You've been driving me crazy for so long now. Well, my love for you is insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything for you.
21. Didn't take you long to find the bar.
Oh, that's not squirrel.
Yeah, didn't take you long to find it.
I find the bar. No, never.
What do you think about our train names?
It'd be awesome if it actually went forward. Right now we're just sort of sitting on the tarmac. I think there's another plane at our
Oh, you think there's
at our terminal.
a terminal?
Yeah, that's probably what's happening here.
That was the big one.
Either that or they're out of steam. I'm gonna be out of
Maybe
steam.
more coal.
Yeah. When Cutter was growing up, he did this thing where he would stand straight up like he was a pole. And he thought if he was a pole, no one could see him. That is what my wife is doing right now.
No, you're handing me something.
Oh, I'm handing you something. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Thank you. Got it. Thank you. Starlink took it away. Water disconnected. I saved the power for last. I gotta do a dump station over there. I need to look at my checklist on my phone. Fluids checked. I don't know about the counters. I haven't looked yet. Curtain. She's put the desk chairs away. Garbage is empty. I haven't done the slide yet. Or the inverter. Or the vents. No antenna. I know the AC is off. I don't feel like I forgot something, but whatever. That's what it is. Our neighbors weren't too noisy last night, but there's definitely more people here than when we got here. I don't know if this guy backed over the pole or took it out. This looks like he pulled it out. He couldn't get his fifth wheel in there. When it's time to leave, you finish dumping, you got the FJ all hooked up, and your wife disappears on you. Where does she go? She's going down trails to find pine cones for a craft. Huh. Yep, there she is. Way down there. What was wrong with the ones right here? Oh my God. Classic Peggy. How'd you hurt yourself? Well, I tripped and fell on a bag of pine cones. Got a concussion, scratched my face up, poked my eye out. But I got pine cones. Can I come in? No. Is this where you're hiding all the pine cones like a squirrel? You got them tucked away in cupboards, hidden in little places, little cubby holes.
I want to do craft night with Ava and Ozzy.
Well, maybe we should put them in a bag in the back of the RV in the
Yeah.
basement.
Yeah, well, I don't want them to get squished. They need to go in a box.
Got some good crafts.
You got your pine cones.
Yep.
I got my black tank. Oh, you know what? Would you go grab the hand sanitizer? Even though I had gloves on. That was such a disgusting dump station that I should probably like double.
You should shower.
Yeah, I feel like I should shower in Purell right now because people are just disgusting. It's like, it's a really nice dump station. Why can't you just do it the way it's supposed to be done? Instead of just, oh, I'm just going to open up my black tank and dump it in the parking lot. See what happens.
And John was nice and cleaned it all.
I did. Yeah, nice, like strong faucet, easy to hose everything down. It's like, come on, people. Have some class. Oh, thank you. All right, we got a long drive because we're going to take the scenic route to Lassen.
Because we're not ready for I-5.
Right. Well, we could take I-5 and get there in probably an hour less time, maybe an hour and a half, but
We want to drive through Lake Tahoe.
yeah. We'll go through Tahoe, we'll go through Reno, we'll go through the backside of California again, the northern part that we haven't hit yet. So, should be pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I hope. I thought we were out of here, and then Peggy saw some huge. As we were pulling out, decided to bail out and go get them. See her on the camera there. She's decided to go rogue and get more pine cones. Oh, look at her! She's so excited. She's got 2. She can't even carry them; they're so big. Oh, she threw those away. She must have found better ones. Oh my goodness. You seem disappointed by the first couple.
Yeah, I got one really big one, but you gotta get them before they've sat too long.
Because they get mushy.
And they wear on that side, so.
Are you good now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just gotta let it go.
Let it go. We're gonna pass some more. So,
Okay.
you know, the cell coverage is very good here, but good news is they have a phone. So. Look at all those ones that are saw the barbed wire fence. You just crawl over that barbed wire fence and grab those pine cones. You'll be good, honey.
You're being mean.
Oh, they're just scattered. Look at them. They're taunting you now.
They are.
Look at them all.
But how do I get all the pitch off them?
I'm sure there's a Pinterest or a Google for that for
There
you.
is.
Put them in the oven or something. Dry them out.
Says the how to care for old pine cones.
Awesome. Look at all those. Oh my God, there's just a stack. They're just waiting for you. They're like, Peggy, Peggy.
Got like 8.
Oh, that's probably good. What about Christmas presents? Can't you paint them to look like Big Bird or something? Or make a little. You're gonna be that lady. The lady that gives everyone pine cones for Christmas. Oh my gosh, the pine cone lady. Oh, what did Peg get us this year? Some more pine cones. Look. Don't want to go down that street apparently.
No, we don't.
It's good because it's packed.
Oh my gosh, there's. Oh, there you go, late person. Oh, there's tents and. Honey, it's arts and crafts.
Oh, maybe they have pine cone art. Maybe you can learn something about what to do with pine cone. Oh, they got hoppity hops.
Oh.
Next year. We'll come next year.
Are you going to Coyote Fest?
We just didn't have time. It's kind of like Burning Man.
Yeah.
It's, but not.
But no.